Right. Strawberry Fest is great, by the way. If you've never been down there, I highly, highly recommend it. And of course, when they brought the strawberries here, wouldn't you know it, I wasn't at work that day. 65 degrees out your door. We are mild, we are muggy with the humidity pumped up. We've got cloud cover, but that won't linger all day. We'll get a mixture of sun and clouds in the afternoon. Going to be breezy again. Matter of fact, we'll be breezy today, tomorrow, Saturday, maybe even Sunday. And we've got a front and a dry line both moving through tomorrow. $1 million question, will it create the chance for severe weather? Well, it is, but whether or not it's going to affect San Antonio, that's what we're going to talk about. We have another round of not only red flag warnings, fire weather watches, and even high wind warnings in the northern part of the state where they're not only bone dry, but they've got fire weather concerns just because of how dry it's been up there. We got a couple of those fire weather watches out to the western hill country. Nothing doing on live local radar, not yet anyway, but we look to change that for tomorrow. Speaking of Friday, right now San Antonio is right on the border, right on the cusp of the marginal threat, but the name of the game, the farther east and northeast you go, that's where the better threat's going to be. If this does go down, the two primary threats would be hail and damaging winds, flooding, tornadoes. I don't think we have to worry about that right now. And again, it is a very, very small chance. Really, it's going to be east of the city. We're at 65 here, 64 Pleasanton, likewise down to the south at George West, on our way to highs in the mid 80s in the afternoon. First, we'll get the dry line. That's going to be tomorrow morning. Then late in the day tomorrow, we're going to get the cold front. That's why tomorrow we're almost going to have two separate chances of rain, right? We're going to set up with a couple of showers in the morning. Then in the afternoon tomorrow, we'll actually catch a break. First, let's talk about this afternoon. I agree with the computer model. We will get some sunshine in the afternoon. That'll pump up our temperatures, highs in the mid 80s this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, your commute, it's not a guarantee of rain, but we could see a few light scattered showers for your Friday morning commute. And then, yeah, I think the sun comes out in the afternoon Friday, but then we're going to get one more back edge when the cold front moves through. That was that line that moves through, but as you see, it completely skirted around San Antonio. So I think that's what's going to happen tomorrow. There's going to be a severe weather threat. I just think it's going to be too far to the east. So keep it at Ken's 5, both on air and online. We're definitely not expecting much in the way of rain, a trace to even less than 1/10 of an inch, and that includes Friday through Friday evening. No rain expected for today. We will be warm and breezy, highs in the mid 80s by afternoon, and the sun will come out in the afternoon. Then for tonight, there will be a 30% chance of storms well after midnight, and a few of them will have the potential to become strong. 30% chance on Friday as well. There is that outside chance of severe weather, so you're going to want to stay tuned. But the weekend is looking great. More sunshine, cooler highs, cooler lows, and everybody's happy.